Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add PayPal smart buttons in Shopify. So first you have to log in or create an account here or create a store here in Shopify. And what you're going to do is we're going to add PayPal smart button on the footer section of Shopify. So to do that, you have to go to shopify.com and then here on the left side, you have to look for online store, tap on themes. Now here you can select for a theme for your store. You can scroll down here and look for that free themes right here. But for the sake of this tutorial, I just use it done. Tap on customize. And then let's just say if you want to add the PayPal Smart button on the footer section, you just have to go to the footer and then tap on this one right here. And then look for custom liquid. And then this is where we're going to paste the code that I'm going to show you now. So I'm going to introduce to you Elf site. Go to Elf site or elfsite.com, tap this link, this one right here. And then after that, you have to create an account here on Elf site. You can just connect your Google account or just add your email and password. Now tap on get started and go to widgets. Now what you're going to do here is you have to look for or see all widgets. On the search icon, you have to type on PayPal. Then you should see the PayPal option right here. Tap this one, PayPal button. And then once you tap this, then what you're going to do next is you have to look for templates. Here you can select any template of PayPal smart buttons that you want. For example, this one right here, everything is up to you. So tap on that specific PayPal button right here. For example, this one. And then you can now edit this. On the left side, there is this edit section where you can just basically change the design of your PayPal smart button. You can also change the payment type right here. Everything is up to you. Add the email address. You can change the color. You can change the currency. You can also change the name right here. You can change the type of the currency, also the shipping fee. You can add the name of your product and so on. So once you're done with this, you can also add a redirect a URL. You just have to paste the URL right here. Once done, then tap this where you can add or deselect the type of PayPal Smart button that you want to appear. You can change the button text if you want. So once you're done, then go to design and then lastly, you can now change the appearance of your PayPal Smart button. So you can change the color. Also, you can increase the font, change the text color, the font color. Everything is up to you. So once you're done with this, and all you have to do is publish this one, and then you have to get the code. So I'm going to tap on the publish button above, this green one right here. And then after that, I'm going to get the code. Once you tap publish, then you should see the code right away. Copy this one, go back to Shopify, paste the code right here, wait for a couple of seconds, and you should see the smart buttons here on your Shopify footer. And basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.